Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I want to dive into something that we should be talking about more. And that is not only myEcon, but specifically myEcon's products and services. We don't spend enough time talking about how good these products and services are and the actual true value of what you're really getting for less than $100, depending on what membership level that you join at. I mean, they're all less than 100, but I want to focus today on Defender Plus, also known as ID Defender, depending on what content you watch or what people are showing you. But we're going to call it Defender Plus right here. So, what I want to dive into here, and I'm going to try to keep this video short and sweet for you because it is really specifically to the point. So, I'm going to opt into my account. I want to show you a couple things, but I specifically want to go over what you're actually really getting here, which is more than just say something like what you would get with LifeLock, where it's really just 24/7 protection monitoring. Your email address, your home address, your social security number, that type of stuff. It's way more than that. And there's so much value here. I mean, even like the value with this one program alone is worth much more than the cost of the EBM membership. So you only get access to Defender Plus and the travel membership with the higher level to join. And that specifically is $99.95. Okay. That's the cost if you want access to Defender Plus. But I mean, if you were to go out and get personal protection plus what I'm going to show you in this video, it is worth way more than the cost of admission. That I can promise you. Plus, obviously, you get access to everything else. The myEcon compensation plan, especially right now in 2025, is absolutely killing it, crushing it. There's no better, dollar per renewal per person in any compensation plan that I found with myEcon. And that's just data. Take my opinion out of it. Of course I'm going to be, a little excited and a little biased because I'm in myEcon, but when you actually do the apples to apples, black and white data comparison, you can see it for yourself. And I have all those comparison videos here on my channel. So either way, I digress. Let's jump back. So let's go check out Defender Plus and see what is really involved with this one product and service alone. Let me pull up a slide and let me show you exactly what you're getting here. So with Defender Plus, you're literally getting, two sets of products and services here. So let me walk you through them. So the first and foremost, which most people know, and this is what we typically talk about, is identity protection. So protecting you from cybersecurity hacks and, people stealing your social or stealing your information, all that other stuff. And I can tell you from experience, this stuff does really work. I have gotten multiple notifications, over the years where people have tried to, hack my Gmail account. And, it's actually Defender Plus is the one that sent me an email literally before it happened saying, hey, we found your email on the dark web. You may want to go change your password. And I went and I did that. And literally about an hour later, I got an email from Gmail that says someone is trying to access your account from whatever country it was in. And, thankfully, because of the notification I got with Defender Plus, I changed my password and everything was good to go, right as rain. So let's dive in with identity protection. Okay. First off, you're going to get the monitoring. You're going to get the surveillance, just like LifeLock, that sort of thing. But obviously, I think this is so much better and for a fraction of the price. Guaranteed restoration. What is that? That means for you, if you do get hacked, you do get your wallet stolen, something like that. And I'm even going to cover that here too. Okay. They're going to work with you to help you get up and restored, up and running, replacing credit cards, getting your license back if you ever lose any of that information or get any of that information stolen or whatever. $1 million in identity theft insurance is absolutely huge. Okay, so lost wallet assistance, like I just mentioned, like if you're ever out, you get your wallet stolen, you lose it, everything that was in here, everything that was major to you, like of importance, license, credit cards, that stuff. These guys are going to work with you and they're going to help you get back up and running, get you restored as quick as possible. So there's a lot of things that are going on here as part of this membership, but it's not just identity protection. Let's look at what it also is on top of that. You get discounted legal services. So you get access to a high-end national attorney network. And speaking from experience, we have a results Facebook group specifically for our team where people get to show and share their experiences with the myEcon products and services, sharing the business, the results that they're getting. And we had a gal a little while back that needed an attorney. It was something to do with their property and, someone trying to sue her. And she was able to reach out to the network, find someone at a very cost effective price, someone that she was able to get results with very, very quickly because of this service. So she was extremely satisfied. So again, if you need any sort of legal services, you're going to be able to get that with Defender Plus. So it's not, again, not just identity protection. So up to 40% discounts on attorney fees, 9 free legal services. So, I mean, if you need to create a will, you're just looking for a consultation, some of those things you might be able to get for free, again, as part of this membership. And of course, access to thousands of individual and business legal forms. So we know that the legal system can be complicated. It can be complex. It can require you to jump through a lot of hoops, filling out certain paperwork, information, all that other stuff. Now you're going to be able to get that guidance and be able to access that yourself. So let's go back into the myEcon back office and let's go take a look of, what this is going to look like for you when you get inside and you have access to this. So from your members area to access the products, really simple. Obviously, you're going to have the product carousel right here. It's also over here where it says My Products. You get the drop-down menu right there. But as we click into Defender Plus, this is what it can look like for you right here. Okay. So you have a couple different things right here. Okay. And this is again all included in your membership. So if you get started at the higher level for $99.95, you get access to Defender Plus, travel, and literally every other product and service that myEcon offers. Okay, so obviously you can go into the ID Defender right here. This is where the monitoring is. This is where you have all of that information. And then you also have the key logging defense system and the legal club. So this is literally where you get access to all of that information. So simple, easy to use. If you need to go into the legal club, you click into there and you figure out which service you need. And there's several options to choose from. And you would just go ahead and do that. I'm not going to click in there because it shows my personal information. So we're just going to leave it at this. But I mean, again, very simple, easy to access. But if you are looking for an incredible membership, my friend, if you are looking for incredible products and services to take advantage that are well worth way more than the price of admission to join, then, I mean, just alone Defender Plus for everything that you get access to. I mean, think of it. If you went and you found an attorney on your own, you could be paying thousands of dollars out of pocket. With Defender Plus, you can probably get that at a fraction of the price. Why would you not want to have that stuff available, especially if you need legal assistance? And we have a lot of people that reach out to us, based on people trying to fix their credit, because one of the main reasons that people join myEcon is to fix their credit because of our proven and documented credit repair program. However, a lot of people that are going through the credit restoration process and fixing their credit, we have a good amount of people that will message us and say that they're getting sued or they have people that are threatening them legally. This is the perfect opportunity if you're going through such a thing to utilize Defender Plus and utilize that attorney network so you can defend yourself. That's why it's called Defender Plus. Okay. Defend yourself against people that are threatening you legally. That's what this is here for. And who knows, depending on what the services are that you need, you might even be able to get that for free. So please take advantage of this product or service. It's absolutely incredible and worth, again, way more than the price of admission. If you have any questions for me, left my phone number right there at the top of this video. Go ahead, send me a text message, ask me anything. If you're ready to get started in myEcon, links in the description down below. Also down there, this is very important. If you want to see how we give you over $11,000 in 100% free value just for activating your myEcon membership, click the links in the description down below. I'll show you a 30-minute tutorial that walks you through our entire system, how we give you all the sales funnels, do all the email marketing for you, give you viral content. We literally get you up and running within an hour after you activate your myEcon membership. And all of that whole marketing system, the training, everything you need is all 100% free, no matter what level that you join at. So again, if you want to check that out, links in the description down below. If you made it to this point in the video, you freaking rock. Okay. Appreciate you. Thank you. Go ahead. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. It really does help the channel. And hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new videos about myEcon or anything to doing with making money online. Appreciate you, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.